Welcome to the Lumension Patch and Remediation video vignette series, in which we discuss how to use specific features and capabilities of Lumension Patch and Remediation to improve the security of endpoints in your organization's network. Today we will take a closer look at the Lumension Content Wizard that interfaces with and extends the capabilities of Lumension Patch and Remediation and Lumension Endpoint Management and Security Suite. Hi, my name is Andrea Hillwig, and in this episode I'm joined by Russ Ernst from Product Management to show you how you can use Lumension Content Wizard and Patch and Remediation to locally enforce security configuration policies. Enforcing recommended security policies such as disabling guest accounts, enforcing password complexity and length, enforcing unintended systems logoff is challenging, especially in distributed environments. Due to the lack of a central management tool, many organizations spend a lot of time and effort manually configuring local security settings across systems and desktops. So Russ, how can one automate this process and free up IT resources?
Well, thanks, Andrea. Probably the best thing to do is to use Lumension Patch and Remediation module as part of the Lumension Endpoint Management and Security Suite, along with the Lumension Content Wizard. So let me show you this. First, this is the Lumension Endpoint Management and Security Suite. And then over here we have the Lumension Content Wizard. And within the Content Wizard itself, we have a tool to create a new policy and using our Policy Wizard. So let's select that. So we have a couple of options here on which type of policy we want to start from. I can either select from a pre-selected list of widely used policies, or I can import a security policy template, and that's based off of the Microsoft Management Console security template. So in this example, I'm going to start from a list of policies, and I can add to that list. And in this case, I want to set, say, password length. So I'm just going to do a search for password from all the different policy types. Here's the policy type for minimum password length. I want to add that here. And also note that I can add multiple policies to this single patch. In this case, I'll just keep it to the minimum password length, but I could go ahead and add different policy to the content to this at the same time if I wanted to. I also have the option to set what that value is here, and this is going to change that value in the registry for what the password length is going to be for this policy. In this case, I'm going to keep it at 8 characters. So now I have the option to change the patch name, so I want to call it the minimum password length, and I said that was 8 characters. Click Finish here to end the wizard, and that brings up the patch itself within the Lumension Content Wizard, where I can change some of the other information if I'd like, including the vendor if I wanted to, or the policy type, or the impact type, and I can add additional information to the description if I wanted to. Otherwise, I could just hit Save, and when I do that, I'm going to go back to my Lumension Endpoint Management Security Suite console, where I want to review my policy content. So that's under Review Other Policies. And again, that was a password policy. Here I see that showing up in the interface, and at this point I can just deploy this just like it's any other patch. And that's how we would go ahead and enforce that policy on our managed endpoints.
That sounds pretty straightforward. Thanks, Russ.
You're welcome.
I hope you enjoyed this short video on how Lumension Content Wizard and Lumension Patch and Remediation help you improve security while reducing your total cost of ownership. For more information, please visit the Lumension Content Wizard page on our website, where you can also get free premium security tools to assess your network today. Thank you.